Hello guys, it's Esther and I will be showing you how to draw baby Jesus. So first we're going to start with kind of like an oval, but the left side is going to be bigger than the right side. Now make a little indention for the head and then the body. So it's going to be like a peanut is laying down over the oval. And then just go ahead and erase the lines that you don't need. Alright, once we have that shape, then we can add baby Jesus. So you are going to add pretty much like a circle. So make sure it kind of goes with the outline that you created on the bottom. So mine came out with a small head, so I need to fix that. So I'm going to make the head a little bit bigger. And then change the body just a little bit. Alright, once you have your shape, then you can erase the pencil marks you don't need so you won't get confused. And then we get to draw the face of the baby. So we add a little bump for the nose. And babies have big foreheads, so you can make the little forehead come out. Alright, so then I just add a little line for the closed eye. And a little bit of line for the mouth. So you kind of just add the outline of the hair and the ear. And then I like to add a little line on the body because they are wrapped. Alright, now you just do the star of a 4-point star on top of him. And add little lines to make it look like it's shiny. And now make a wooden, I guess, little bed for him. So I add kind of a rectangle on the bottom. And now we're going to go over with our marker. So I'm going to do the face first. And I try to do this very lightly so I won't put too much, the line won't be too thick. And then for the hay, I just add a bunch of little lines to make it look like the hay is coming out. And then around the body, I'm going to make little lines to make it look like he's kind of not sinking, but he's a little bit lower than the hay. Okay, and then around it, we put more little lines for the hay. We make it look that it's circular. Alright, we go over on the bottom, and now we finish the star and add a little cross on the middle. Now we're gonna finish the wood on the bottom, so I'm just gonna add a bunch of little lines. And that is gonna make it look like it's made out of wood. And that is baby Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I also have Facebook and Instagram where you can follow me, and I will put updates, and I also share my videos so you will always know when I put one up. Thank you.